Czinger debuted its 21C VMAX for the first time in Europe at the Goodwood Festival of Speed, and in a new bright orange hue it calls the Golden State of Mind. As for the color, the Golden State of Mind is a tribute to the California poppy, which blooms each spring, turning the state's rolling hills bright orange. Czinger chose the color name and shade in recognition of this event and to highlight the automaker's commitment to sustainability. Inside, the VMAX features an army green leather interior with gray wool textile that mirrors the twill carbon fiber on the front seat. Contrasting orange top stitching offsets the green and gray color of the interior, tying in the bright orange exterior. The VMAX is the top-speed variant of Cinger's first production car, the 21C, which set lap records at both Laguna Seca and the Circuit of the Americas. It uses a hybrid powertrain developed by the company in-house, which features a 2.88-liter twin-turbocharged V8 to produce up to 1,350 horsepower. The 21CS design was inspired by the SR-71 Blackbird spyplane, including the instrument panel layout and the tandem two-seat layout. This setup also maximizes aerodynamics, lowering drag, while providing upwards of 2.5 tons of downforce at 200 miles per hour